Hey everyone, today I'm unboxing something super useful. Check out this sleek app from AppSumo. It's a video, audio, and screen recorder in one. Let's see what it can really do. First impressions. The interface looks clean and modern. I love how easy it is to get started. Just one click and I'm already recording my screen. Look at this, video, audio, and screen all at once. I'm going to record a quick message for my team. You can personalize every video you send. Perfect for remote workers like me. Let's test the audio quality now. Wow, it picks up my voice super clearly. No background noise or distortion at all. Switching to screen recording mode. I can capture my presentation slides effortlessly. Educators, this is a game changer for online lessons. Sales pros, imagine sending custom demos instantly. Now let's try sending a video message. Just hit share and boom, it's on its way. No need to upload big files anywhere. It saves so much time compared to traditional methods. I can see this streamlining all my daily communication. The quick recording feature is my favorite part. No more fumbling with complicated software. Everything is intuitive, even for beginners. Let's look at the core features up close. Record your screen webcam or just audio. Mix and match modes as you need. Send personalized video messages in seconds. Organize and manage all your recordings easily. Share links instantly with anyone, anywhere. No downloads required for viewers. That's a huge plus for clients and students. Let's talk about reliability. I haven't had any crashes or glitches so far. Everything runs smoothly, even with long recordings. The quality stays high no matter the length. For educators, this means seamless lesson delivery. Remote teams can send updates without hassle. Sales professionals can create quick, personalized pitches. Honestly, I wish I'd found this sooner. It's made my workflow so much easier. If you value clear, efficient communication, this tool is totally worth trying. One thing to note, remember to check your mic settings. Otherwise, everything else is super straightforward. I'd recommend this to anyone working remotely. Educators, you'll save tons of prep time. Sales teams, your follow-ups just got more personal. Ready to upgrade your communication? Head to AppSumo and grab this recorder now. Don't miss out on streamlining your workflow. I'll drop the link below for easy access. Thanks for watching my unboxing and review. Let me know your thoughts in the comments.